Hello Rishan.
Hello.
Today my drawing partner is my only son Rishan. So what we are going to learn today?
How to draw a dog.
Okay. Today we will learn how to draw a cute baby duck. We will start from the lip or beak. At first, draw a curved line here and make it the beak. Like this way.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Here I am making the lower part. Okay. Please do. It would be better from left to right, okay?
Okay.
Now we'll draw the head part. Draw a curved line. Well done.
Thank you.
And add some feather here in the circular shape. Okay?
Okay.
The head is almost done. Add some feather here. Now make another half circle in the lower side. Okay, the head part is done. Draw a big circle for the eye. Make it slightly to the right of the beak. You can also draw a teeny line for the eyebrow. And here I'm making the eyeball. Good job.
Thank you.
Now it's time to draw the body part, adding some feather as well. Please do. Make it curve towards the back. Here is the neck.
Done.
Make a curved line here. Like this way. Yeah. Good job. Uh-oh, what have you done here? It's okay, but it could be better.
Okay.
Now I'm making the wings of the duck. Add a simple curved shape on the body for wings. To make the legs, make a wave here of 5 lines and draw like this. Good. Yes. Add a small white circle for a cute sparkle here. And here I'm making the eyeball. Add small feather details around the head, wings and tail. And that's it. You have drawn an adorable little duckling. Thanks for drawing with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.